Are you tired of entryways overflowing with heavy winter jackets, scattered tote bags, and messy scarves? Say goodbye to cluttered corners with the solid wood cactus coat rack and rich walnut. This will clear up your entryway chaos with a touch of fun style. Meet Muwuele Cactus Coat Rack Haul Tray. It's designed with a playful, desert-inspired silhouette. This freestanding organizer transforms cluttered corners into an organizational focal point. Now, it was very easy to install. Just one simple pull, and you add in these arms. These branch style hooks are staggered at different heights, and they give you plenty clearance for long winter coats, heavy purses, hats, and everyday jackets without tangling. Smooth, rounded ends ensure your delicate fabrics and bags never snag or slide off. It's crafted from sturdy solid wood, and it features a heavy-duty base built to keep everything stable and upright. And look at the pretty arms. They're very easy to assemble. You just simply screw them in, and you have an extra one. And best of all, the modular pole design lets you adjust the overall height. You can assemble it short for a kid's room or full size for your main entryway. Now look just how much it will hold, and it will bring charm and durability and total organization to your home. There are 6 to 8 branch style hooks designed with non-slip rounded ends to secure your straps and loops. It was assembled in about 15 minutes, and tools are included, no expertise needed. It comes in a variety of colors, including this walnut that you see here. It also comes in black, white, and natural color. Your height range options start as small as 42 inches for children up to 70.8 inches at your tallest. As you can see, I can fit a lot on here. This was provided from my honest decorator opinion, and I love it. I think it's a great solution. It's stylish, and it's very functional, and it's just a fun, whimsical look in any room in your home. It can bear up to 150 pounds. Please like this video and follow us for more from this great brand and others like these.